Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with navigation, park view rear backup camera, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, remote start system, garage door transmitter, engine oil cooler, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM Guardian emergency communication system, cold weather package, Sirius XM satellite radio, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.